In 2026, electric wheelchairs are evolving like never before. Today, we reveal the coolest models that stand out. We'll explore performance, value for money, and ease of use. Find all product links in the description and first comment. Let's dive into our top 10 models, starting with the first on our list. Get ready for an exciting ride. Our first product is the Majestic IQ8000 electric wheelchair, a foldable, lightweight option perfect for senior users. This model offers portability without sacrificing durability, making it an excellent choice for those on the go. The ultra-lightweight design ensures easy transport and storage while maintaining a comfortable ride. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, this wheelchair adapts to various terrains seamlessly. Its intuitive controls are user-friendly, catering to users of all ages and abilities. Overall, the Majestic IQ8000 balances convenience with performance, ensuring a reliable experience. Next up is the Rascal Carbon Cruiser, a lightweight foldable wheelchair crafted from carbon fiber. This model is perfect for travel with its compact design and airline-approved battery. Despite its lightweight build, it boasts a 300-pound capacity, ensuring robustness and reliability. The Carbon Cruiser's sleek design is complemented by its impressive maneuverability. This wheelchair is designed for the modern traveler, offering both style and substance. In summary, the Rascal Carbon Cruiser is a smart investment for those who value portability and strength. Our third product is another Majestic IQ8000 model, renowned for its foldable and portable features. This wheelchair is crafted for seniors, emphasizing both comfort and ease of use. Its lightweight structure makes it ideal for daily outings and errands. The design is both durable and stylish, appealing to a wide range of users. With its efficient motor, this model ensures smooth and reliable performance. Ultimately, the IQ8000 offers a harmonious blend of practicality and modern design. Fourth on our list is the Majestic IQ7000, designed for those seeking a higher weight capacity. Supporting up to 350 pounds, this wheelchair is both robust and versatile. Its range of up to 13 miles makes it perfect for longer journeys without frequent recharges. The all-terrain capability ensures it handles diverse surfaces with ease. This model is also remote-controlled, adding convenience to its list of features. For those needing strength and adaptability, the IQ7000 delivers impressive results. Fifth is the Majestic IQ9000, offering an impressive range of up to 19 miles. With a 330 pounds capacity and a 20-inch wide seat, comfort is at the forefront. This model is ideal for extended use, providing both comfort and performance. Its lightweight design does not compromise on strength, making it travel-friendly. Remote-controlled operation offers added convenience for the user. The IQ9000 is a well-rounded choice for those seeking range and comfort in one package. Our sixth pick is a lightweight electric wheelchair, perfect for travel mobility. Foldable and remote-controlled, this power chair is built for convenience. Its portable design makes it easy to store and transport, ideal for frequent travelers. With a focus on ease of use, this model suits a wide range of users. The chair's engineering ensures comfort without sacrificing performance. Overall, this model stands out for those prioritizing mobility and simplicity. Seventh up is the Majestic IQ9000, weighing only 49 pounds for ultimate portability. Despite its light frame, it supports up to 330 pounds and offers a 19-mile battery range. This model is perfect for long distances, providing reliability and comfort. Its remote control adds a layer of convenience for daily use. US-based customer support ensures assistance is readily available. For those needing a blend of distance and support, the IQ9000 is an excellent choice. Eighth is another Majestic IQ9000, known for its extended 19-mile range. With a focus on comfort, it features a 20-inch wide seat for added space. Its lightweight build and airline approval make it suitable for travel. Users will appreciate the remote control and easy maneuverability. This model is crafted for those who value distance and comfort. In summary, the IQ9000 combines practical design with impressive reach. Ninth, we have the Rascal Conquest, a heavy-duty outdoor mobility scooter. Designed for strength, it supports up to 350 pounds with a long-range battery. This scooter is ideal for rugged outdoor adventures and extended travel. Its four-wheel design ensures stability across various terrains. The included battery provides peace of mind during long excursions. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Rascal Conquest is a reliable companion. Finally, the Majestic electric wheelchair, a foldable motorized option for seniors. This lightweight model is designed for easy transport and storage. Its durability and user-friendly interface make it a top choice for many. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, it offers versatility and movement. This model is crafted with seniors in mind, ensuring comfort and ease. The Majestic electric wheelchair wraps up our list as a dependable and practical choice.